Welcome to the Zap Accounting Software Bookkeeping landing page. If you are interested in viewing the template, please click on Zap B5 BKPN Stable Copy. When you do that, a new worksheet will open and it should be in view only, just like this. In this mode, you should be able to click through all the worksheets that are open. I'm not sure if you can actually open something that's hidden. I don't think you can change the way this looks. You shouldn't be. No, it's view only. However, if you'd like to make your own copy, you're going to go File, Make a Copy. If you're not logged into your Chrome browser or into your account, it should ask you to log in first. But if you are, it would look something like this. You could rename it and click OK. And you are in the process of making your own copy of our bookkeeping template. It's just that simple. Give us about 5 seconds. When this comes up, I want you to look right here. There's a star and a cloud. Look in between. And when the folder comes up in between, there it is. It should be fully on your drive, and you could verify that by going to drive.google.com and your account. I've got a couple copies in here, so it's going to be harder to figure out. There it is right there, that 9:42 p.m., and there's my copy. So I have one copy of the bookkeeping template on my drive, and that is my copy for life, and I can make unlimited copies of it. It's just that simple. Now back to the website. This particular template also there's a developer's copy that you can also view. That is the copy that's the work in process. So this would have the most recent changes to it. The stable copy is fairly stable and mature. It may be very difficult for most folks to even see what's new in the developer's copy. It's out there for now. It may disappear as we progress. For more instructions on this particular template, if you scroll down here, or more information first, it'll tell you the approximate number of worksheets, information about the silent worksheets, the number of array formulas in there. It has an internal/bound Google script project, and it has an external unbound script project. If you want to use the unbound Google script project, which extends the functionality of this file, you would need to click here and go to the landing page for that project and download that as well. You can click on it to view it there, and you could actually look through the script and see what's in it. There's another way to get to that that will show you. You could also get to that by going to Software, 6-box Model, and scroll down underneath the different boxes where you can get to the different software landing pages. There's this link here, and that will also get you the same page. So let's get back now. Where were we? We go Software, Box 5, Bookkeeping. And underneath these, so the template is yours. You can use it. It will work fine to do all your accounting. There are a couple things that won't work without connecting this script module, and all that is detailed down here in our subdomains. So our support subdomains are the BK download guide, which teaches you what I just did, but in more detail as far as downloading it. It'll show you how to also download the script file and connect it and create fully functional files. Then there's the demo data guide, which the files themselves come with 1 year's worth of demo data for an acupuncture clinic. So as soon as you have the file downloaded, you can actually go in here and look at, let's say, the income statement, and you'll notice that there's a $59,000 net income for the year of 2016, and this file is filled and ready to go for education and simulation, also for programming education. So the demo data guide would just help you go through the file with the demo data in it and figure out what you might be able to do for various forms of education. Then we have the configuration guide. The configuration guide starts by telling you how to remove the demo data from the file, and then it proceeds to tell you how to configure it for your own use, whether that's for small business, an S corporation, or your personal use. Then we have a site that's called the user guide. So after you've configured it and you start day-to-day use, this one will go over that. You'll see the 5-step bookkeeping process that we use, along with some other tips and tricks for using it. We also have a separate website, so the simulation guide. This thing has a built-in transaction generator where you can set master transactions for a data set that you want to create. And then you click a button and you could create hundreds or thousands of transactions within about 5 to 10 seconds. And you could use that for simulation and education, life simulation, life education. And then we'll also have some programming guides in here where we'll go worksheet by worksheet or process by process, and we'll walk you through every equation and every formula in the file and give you tips and tricks as to how they were created and what you'd need to do to possibly modify them or replace them or add to them. So we have an extremely extensive support section. Many of these have everything from visuals, written instructions, and videos. So it's a complete solution for your tax. This is designed primarily for your tax and financial accounting needs. The end goal of this is to create an income statement and a balance sheet. Those are the two goals of this particular bookkeeping template. So hopefully you can use this information, download your copy, and get going.